Differences between IRR and CAGR.
CAGR is used to calculate compounded returns. IRR is an important tool in capital budgeting exercise. CAGR is commonly used for past period data. IRR is used for future investment decisions. NPV or net present value is another important measure for capital budgeting. It is the difference between present value of cash inflows and present value of cash outflows, discounted at the hurdle rate. If the difference results in a positive NPV, then the project is considered feasible. Payback period calculates the time in which initial outflow can be recovered from the future outflow, discounted at the required rate of return. Holding period return calculates simple absolute return. For greater than 1 year, CAGR is calculated. The example shows how holding period is calculated for a period of 2 years, and then CAGR is used to calculate the compounded return. Returns are usually expressed in nominal returns. Real returns are nominal rate adjusted for inflation. As we can see in this example, where 12% is the fixed deposit nominal rate of return and inflation is 6%. Real rate of return is 12% minus 6%, which results in 6% real returns. As you saw, real returns can be calculated by subtracting inflation or by a formula of compounding as shown on the slide. A negative real return implies that the investment earned returns less than inflation. Tax adjusted returns are calculated by adjusting applicable tax rate to compute actual post-tax return. In example 1, Dr. Bansal earns 12% pre-tax. After adjusting for tax at his marginal tax rate of 30%, his return is 8.4%. Alternatively, second method can be used to compare investments if investors have different applicable tax rates. In example 2, earlier method is reversed to calculate nominal rates. In this example, tax-free bond is the better investment by comparing nominal returns. Risk-adjusted returns are returns adjusted for the risk taken. Sharpe ratio is a commonly used measure for risk-adjusted returns.